Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by safeguarding the system, make a full backup or system image now. Once done, plug in power and confirm a stable internet connection. Sign in with an administrator account so updates won't stall. Check storage and free about 20% space. Create a restore point if your OS supports it. Next, identify your desktop model and note OS version. This lets you download correct drivers. That's the shortest path to a clean update process. Start the update utility immediately. Run the built-in OS update tool and install recommended patches. Some require multiple cycles, so reboot when prompted. Once the OS is current, open your manufacturer's update utility or device manager and update chipset, GPU, storage controller, and network drivers. Use vendor packages, not random downloads. For firmware or BIOS updates, read the vendor notes and apply only on AC power. Follow their exact steps. Make sure to disable third-party antivirus while installing drivers. Then re-enable it once everything is stable. Finalize by checking the update history and confirming no critical items are pending. Run a disk scan and system file check to validate integrity. Inspect Device Manager for warning icons and test peripherals. Update or reinstall any component that fails. If an update breaks the system, roll back the last driver, uninstall the recent update, and use your restore point or backup image to recover. One key tip: when firmware or BIOS updates fail, stop and restore from backup before retrying. Attempting repeated flashes can brick the motherboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.